guys, welcome to the channel, Thrasher's Garage. I know a lot of you guys have been following my videos as far as what's going on with the truck. So a little backstory with that. That was my dad's 98 Chevy K1500. He got it about 20 years ago. He's been working on it all the time. He introduced me to it when I was about 8 years old. Been working on that all my life. So I'm doing this in honor of him, of rebuilding it, making it look better than ever. As about a year ago, I rolled it, getting onto the freeway. Crushed my heart as my dad passed away from cancer, guys. Very hard to go through. I feel for everyone that goes through that kind of stuff. It's extremely hard. I went through it. This is all I have left of them. It's my 98 Chevy K1500 now. I do this in honor of my dad, as he's been wanting to do this ever since he got it when it was new, or when it was only a couple years old. So I'm gonna tune you guys up as far as what's going on with that truck, and stay tuned. All right, guys, so as you can see, truck's still pretty much together right now, but exciting news, we have the bumper off. It's just sitting on there right now, guys. We have the radiator support that's supposed to be right here, the radiator, the AC condenser, all the main components that it's supposed to sit right here, with the headlights and grill. Those are all out of the way. Those are set to the side, but fenders, other fender, all the other components are unhooked. We got the wiring unhooked right there. It's coming along very well, guys. I know it's a little confusing at first, but what's going on is I'm doing a complete rebuild, restore, right down to the frame, where I completely sandblast, paint, undercoat, and then move to the brake lines. You know, all the steps of reprocessing and rebuilding this thing. But the good news is the cab is empty, dash is out. I have a video coming out for that. Back seat's out, everything's out of here. The only thing on here is the doors, all three doors, and the windows, front and the back, passenger side. Cab bolts are undone. Doing this in honor of you, Dad. I know you're here with me every time I work on this, pushing me to keep going forward. It's only been about two weeks now since I started this project. As you can see, guys, I'm busting it out as fast as possible, as I'm excited to see what this thing's gonna look like when it's done, as I know you guys will too. So stay tuned, guys. Hit that like and subscribe button.